Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, October 1, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. Good morning. I am fine. Thanks, and you?
I am good. But I feel tired late night yesterday.
Oh, why? Work or something fun?
Work emails? They never stop. Need this coffee now.
Yes, coffee fixes everything. Black for me today.
Smart. I add milk. Makes it taste better.
Good choice. Hey, did you see the news this morning?
Which one? There is so much going on.
The government stuff about the shutdown.
Oh, yeah. I heard congressional leaders met with the president.
Right. It was on September 29 in the Washington Post.
They talked for hours, but no deal yet.
True, the budget fight is big. Republicans and Democrats argue.
Yeah. If no agreement, shutdown starts today.
Scary federal offices close. Workers go without pay.
Exactly. Parks shut too. No visitors.
And mail, does it stop?
Some services keep going, but many slow down.
Bad for business? Our clients might delay orders.
You think? Sales could drop.
Yes. Projects need government approval sometimes.
True. As sales rep, I call clients daily.
They might say wait and see.
Frustrating. We plan sales targets.
Shutdown messes plans, economy feels it.
Hope they fix it quick, before weekend.
Me too. Leaders must talk more.
President pushes hard, but Congress resists.
It's politics. Always controversial.
Yeah, like our office meetings, debates everywhere.
Huh. But we solve them, government should too.
Right? Pass the cup, thanks.
Here's so other news. Anything fun?
Not fun, but interesting, about colleges.
Colleges? Tell me.
Some schools do conformism tests now.
What? Conformism tests?
Yes, students answer questions on views.
Views on what? Politics?
School ideas to check if they match.
Oh, from the New York Times. September 26.
Exactly, it's new. Causes big debate.
Why sounds wrong?
Many say it limits free speech.
Yes, students should think freely.
Imagine testing our team ideas.
No way. Office needs different thoughts.
True, in sales, new ideas win deals.
Projects too. Diverse views help.
These tests use online forums, maybe.
Tech makes it easy. But is it right?
Questionable? Colleges want unity.
But unity can stop change.
Good point. Like old office rules.
We update them. Schools should too.
Hope so. Students protest already.
Protests? Tell me more.
Groups say it's mind control.
Extreme, but worry is real.
Yeah. Education for learning, not fitting in.
Agree, my sister is in college.
She okay?
Yes, but she talks about it.
Smart girl. She questions things.
Always keeps me thinking.
Nice. We need that here.
Yes, brainstorm meetings help.
Totally. No test for us?
Lucky. Now one more story.
Sure, about a statue.
Statue? What happened?
One disappeared. Controversial one.
Disappeared from where?
Public park in a city.
When recent?
Yes, USA Today, September 26.
Oh, people mad about it before.
Right, some hated the design.
Why? What did it show?
Abstract art, hard to understand.
Art like that sparks talks.
Yeah, it's now gone, no one knows how.
Theft or removed?
Mystery, police look into it.
Controversial, free expression?
Exactly, remove art or not.
Let it stay makes society think.
Me too, like office decor.
Are posters fun ones?
Yes, they start chats.
Without them, boring.
True, statue case divides people.
Some say good it's gone.
Others say censorship.
Balance needed. Art offends sometimes.
But that's okay, we learn.
Yes, culture changes slow.
This week, news is wild.
Politics, education, art, all big.
Impacts work too.
How sales affected?
Clients watch news, they hesitate.
Projects delay if economy slows.
We stay busy anyway.
True, focus on tasks.
Morning meeting soon.
Yes, at 9U.
Sales call after coffee.
Good luck, close that deal.
Thanks, you handle project well.
Appreciate it, team effort.
Always, coffee almost gone.
One more sip, refill?
No, time to work.
Okay, see you later.
Bye, have a great day.
You too, take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.